Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start with we are going to talk about the if statement in Python. So and I'm going also to use the print function, and then I'm going to also to use the input function, and lastly I'm going to use the int function. So this first function always print out the output, and this second function is give the chance the user now to enter its details, and then this input function convert. So always this input function give us an output which is string value. So for us to convert it to be an integer, we are going to convert it using this int function. So let us now start assigning variables. So let us assign variable, let's say weight, w for weight. So I'm going to use the int function so that I can convert this input function into integer, because it always return a string value. So let us enter your weight in kgs. We want to calculate the BMI of people. So until if that person has the obesity or has a normal weight or underweight. So h for height is equals to int. Then we are going to input, then enter your height in meters. So I'm leaving this space right here so that when a person is filling out his details that detail will be indicated right here. So let us move now to our next step, calculating now the BMI. And the BMI is given by weight over this backward slash always indicate deviation. So we are going to divide it over height. Then we are going to raise it to the power of 2, or we are going to square it. That we are going to use the double multiplication sign. So that is the height squared. Then next we are going to say if the weight of this person, that is BMI, is less than or equal to 18.5, then this person, we are going to print now, to print this person is underweight. So let us run this and see. So let us enter the weight in kgs. So let us give it as, let's say, 18. Then our height in meters, that is just an example. So enter. Then as you can see right here, this we have printed this if clause function, if clause statement right here, that is underweight. So let us continue. I'm going to give an elif. If that person is, let's say, greater than 18.5, that person BMI is greater than 18.5 and less than 24.9, then I'm going to print it as an, I'm going to give it as normal weight. So let us run and see. So let us give a weight that is greater than 18.5 and less than 24.5. Let us give it as 23. And also there, let's say I'm going to give always the weight at the height to be 1 for you to understand it. So we have here right here normal weight. So let us move on and see, calculate now for the pre-obesity. So that is a leaf, and that person BMI is less than or equal to now 20 9.9. Then you are going to print out this person is pre-obesity. So pre-obesity. So let us run and see. So let us give uh, weight which is greater than 24.9 but less than 29.9. So let us give it as 27 or 26 right here. I'm going to give it a right here 26. And our body weight height, that is 1. So as you can see, we have here or pre-obesity. So we are going to obesity. Right here we are going to say elif. This person BMI is less than or equal to, now let's say 34.9. Then you're going to print obesity class 1. So let us run this and give it here right here a value that is greater than 29.9 but less than 34.9, that is, let's say 33. Then our height in meter, that is 1. So obesity class 1. So what if this person has, let's say, the height of more than 34.9? So we're going to give an else statement right here. Else statement. If this person has a weight of, let's say, less than 18.5, that is greater than 18.5 and also greater than 34.9, we are going to print obesity class 2. But also we have obesity class 2, that is a person having a weight of more than 34.9 but less than 39.9, that is obesity class 2. But anything above greater than 40, that person has obesity class 4, class 3. So that is it. Let me indicate a number that is more than 34.9. Let us give it as 70 right here and see. If that person has a weight of 70 kgs and a height of 1 meter, so as you can see, we have obesity class 2 right here. So basically what the if statement does, it always check each and every statement that we have written, and if that statement is correct, then that statement will be printed out. But if it is not correct, the statement is not printed out. So guys, that is it for today, and that is it for if and else statement in Python. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the loops, that is the while loop and also the for loop in Python. So let us meet next time, and kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed.